For Monday breakfast, I will make this is shabu shabu, but I will not put a lot of vegetable, only this one, spring onion. And I boiled already this one, chicken soup, but I didn't put any oil, just only like that. Chicken soup, chicken broth, simple soup, crab paste. No, crab stick, not crab paste. Squid, bola-bola. Yan. At I will make salad, lettuce, apple, cucumber, orange. I will make orange as a juice. The only salad is avocado, lettuce, cucumber, and apple. Yan. This is my salad for breakfast. And soup only, no carbs, because here is this noodles. I'll put noodles later. Okay, I will show you later the finished product.